comes the other dog. The perfectly white dog. It's going to get dirty.
No, I was going to say not for long. Someone's going to be covered in mud. Oh, he's so precious. Where'd you go, guys?
Oh, there they are.
There you go, doing a lap. Watch your knees. Oh boy. You make a new friend, Sonny?
Oh.
Sorry, he's extremely clumsy. Extremely clumsy and really fast. Not a good combination.
No, it's okay.
Hi, Precious. What are you doing? Aww. Good boy, Oliver. Go swimming.
Look at him play. Holy
Oh,
cow.
he's a little boy. Oh, boy. He does the same thing, so he should understand.
Look at Oliver. Yeah.
Emmett comes to the dog park to meet people. Big leaner.
Emmett.
They don't mind. They don't get offended.
Right.
Hello.
Hey. We had Gunny running everywhere.
I know. He's doing a laugh. Power laugh. Somebody run with me. Go in the water. Oh, don't roll her in the mud. Too much. Be gentle. He's just a baby. He's little. He's a little guy.